for higher GC News, Mema Obibia Akwaba. Hadia latest and hot news and Aramede Bramo. And so when subscribe to channel dia, but more than say will be subscribe. The other answer say will click the subscribe button. Now a belly notification when a video for be uploaded. With the first person I was Ebeka ASA video. A few we are now like video and give us a thumbs up now fee. Share my offer so now when you be here. Now who and somewhere koso ewa Ghana be muharam afi yembura ye and somewhere beto yep no so yenti yes I report ya ba beto ya yenti sazimi
e je so mun tiase he Kwame Agyarko
so Agyarko
ana nyagu keke Agyarko brain
abotibati
na ni pawolu so si te me de
oya
na one say ne ya no em say sini ana na say ya no KT Hammond
KT Hammond
parliament you concert right unim baby ya bro the youth of this country said Luminiasia brain and they have used this election to tell the leaders that it is about time. Start seeing the youth as people partners in development. Do things that makes the lives. I'm for Pejumaye. Obi Pejumaye. Also always play about it.
All right, we live here.
How?
We live here.
What does it do?
Yeah. Say create.
Amen. See how to way. Say uko. Na mizo because uko yo ba lie. And the term issue na but even to no be ko kasa say open na. O kan say nyina na bia promise o ban so be to car man.
Yeah.
No tiase na to car na man. So twika na mfie miensa mfie nan a. Afa untimi fa car no nya bibia bi mu. You have to do something different.
Yeah.
It you anya careful now nya we.
This all ban so who said.
O dey to boss e nti na wan hwa obi be to petrol 500 Ghana agum. No dey agege no kon. So what tiase. Because then because when you're careful about nothing, Saturday now why you so used to it.
Yeah.
MPP came in 2016 with free SHS. People bought the idea. And the free SHS, let's not forget, that time, former president-elect, okay, so surveillance. About time, you man be good, can you say, markets no one who sees on Asante region? He was finding a way to grasp Asante region because they realize say Asante region your primary pay Geddy.
Yeah.
Geddy say if you are building the markets, you are giving them a platform for them to do their business. Okay. It is free SHS in the court 2016. And the tongue of it, you may be school free, you may be school free and started koi. After 4 years, voting party said this year.
Yeah.
After 4 years, even parliament, also this year.
Yeah.
After free SHS, enough.
Yeah.
Because if free SHS, why am I 4 years about I don't have money in my pocket. Tell me something different.
Yeah.
A whole enough year started to tell some about corruption, about way. Now 8 years. But I mean this all about MPP by I almost say former vice president say on your mate. No, but when you say now people have grown in this political space to the level that, and even the young people, that is why for me, I think the best thing to happen to Ghana every SHS because everybody's going to go to school. Because nobody will buy into the point that you're a vice president and you are not part of the mess. When you do that, people will not understand. Okay, so say you are not part of the mess. The people you are campaigning with, who are the ministers? All ministries in the mess. What's important I say? So then how do you disassociate yourself from anyway? So when people needed a better message, say because I didn't say the next year, come on voting parties now overwhelming. And can we say I'm for trouble what's the surety that they won't be people?
Yeah.
Because card-bearing members of both MPP and NDC, they are no more than 5 million. So the people who vote to decide are sympathizers, someone who will sympathize with you, and also be a wasembe nasum.
Now,
but they say no, free SHS number 1 a buy in the first batch. Oma Kosku a real university a fee. It is a mean man, Kotuma, MPP say, free SHS abebuame. Ama me ma Kosku me no Kosku a real. Some grand me number 20 because the real TV and the this of what's animal maintain. It's a crazy school now on the point years and person to coin. So MPP lost touch with the base.
Okay.
The people. They felt that sometimes when you for how to work condition now to get decisions. No one gets it down to the people grounds now. You might make a mistake. Kwame, I'm telling you, baby, I the base I'm it will shock you that they are boys at all. Me, I'm here and I'm saying it will Kwame will shock you that it was 8-8. 8 for MPP, 8 for NDC. And I'm talking about young working class people.
And by the time on that day, sa 8 the 4 echo.
What I say? All Bulldog polling station.
What they are mentioned we are.
Oh, the Mitchell Bulldog polling station, make a polling station. All results no. All results no. MPP 402, NDC 234. They got more than 30% of the votes. So it should tell you something. Wave be ba. Now it won't just be about the fact that I am a stronghold. It will be about what are you telling us? What have you done?
Okay.
Sabi in previous. So when you saw you know mema come yamana at street no so no. Yo amafo akwan fa so eto mabao.
But there are some places
Egate. Now do see airport there.
There's some places why development there. Let's look at say Kwame,
you want your biblia. Who say me just mo about some of the factors. You will be or besile. You will be or hebalo people na dey no in front of a man.
Oh yeah.
You will be or betu on tribal lines. You will be or betu development. But a lot of the MPs, and I'm using Mimi constituency as an example.
Where?
Eugene, the prime minister too, a lot of the MPs, they became lords, not servants. The very moment you become like that, the people will see you differently. And the MPP as a party should sit down and look at a lot of things. I mean, they say, okay, about leadership, listen, prime minister, you are giving people 10,000, 20,000 to vote you to go. That's the more sense. How did you get the money? When the streets, people are struggling, people cannot feed. When you do all those things, one of the things I made me power honestly. Me say President Mahama will do good. The Intiana say, Sabi, son your batio. That's all bani jao we going to tini. No kwa na ko pachewa na osajewa. You treat Obani different.
Yeah.
When your opportunity to serve Ghana for pain, only circumstances upon which Ghanaians booted him out. Now Ghana for summer, we're quite there. A unprecedented, overwhelming majority.
To come and continue what you did, the mistakes.
Parliament, no, not the mistakes. That is the more no. Who's the more at the end with one side? Oh, your mistake. No, your mistake. And a Ghana for booting out. And a offer be by 8 years. And a Ghana for you say, I'm the back couldn't mistake no. No cry you tell me.
So you can't know them.
I know by no when you saw bana some more catch there or mono. And no majatum. Now when you make mistakes and you are not careful, why you careful now surround the Kwame, the entire be who take decision in our free.
Yeah.
No busa we doing because to pay candid opinions.
Yeah.
Say, can you question me? Hey, Uber tax me. Missy men tax me. Who will me taxing me and we try kick him. So Uber tax me. Uber track kick him. Who are not bombs in trouble. People were accused giving people money. When you do that, you are creating an impression. You are just admitting that you did not do good, but take the money and vote for me. Until the party should go back. No more koyo mo dwuma yi. No more and then asema president elect kan also saying o kache o caution NDC voting na say adia Ghana for ya kire ni kire ade baako say yensu ye ba na ya anya they'll kick us out. And that is the level of the Ghanaian voter now. Of course, you can have a percentage who will vote on lines who are partisan, maybe are tribal, maybe are religious, but the people who select, you'll be choosing the president, and that's Uncle Fono. And the people are economy. Ghana, they be a trouble about the economy. It's about the economy. If there's no money in my pocket, I'll vote you out. It's as simple as that. There was a young man who is my friend. In 2016, he had $100,000 as the capital of the year. That was 400,000 Ghana cedi. Today, less than 25,000. Is that what you are saying? So they lost touch with the base. They should accept it. No more trade, no more nothing prepare, no more be and now but they go to Suway or Asante go to Suway or Kremoni go to Suway. So I didn't know. Boys no, young boys no more street this wrong. And those people who vote against you, if you don't tell them something that will better their lives. And then every young man wants to travel. The very moment you have an economy where everybody wants to live, it means it's failing. And if you don't accept that, now it's a miracle. Very young man. I love the guy the way he communicates, but that day he got it wrong. We didn't hear interview. Because I'm for say I'm on here now. Also say we be because we are not arguing more. Hey. Open the vote, look at that. You want my vote and you tell me that? Instead of deciding to explain, if you want to church, more churches say, right? I'm not a president-elect Bawumia. Oh yes, or catch up him so no more yeah Ashanti region. Yeah. I didn't tell us Ashanti region is how many. Yet 2 people from Ashanti. The regional minister himself sat on a platform. Onka 5 monumental projects Ashanti waiting at Kawan.
New refugee.
Why now refugee? Now come here. Pay off. I say, oh young can require. Konso ejatom. One yamaje kama deti konso abisi ami anejuma. It's a busa ka dey anya no more team.
Yeah.
It's just so much just here. Kwame. Ajagu.
So Ajagu.
Ana Ajagu keke. Ajagu. Brain.
About this body.
Na ni pa Owusu si tell me there.
Oh yeah.
Now one na say ya no. Senior na say ya no. KT Hammond.
KT Hammond.
What parliament you concert? Why unim? Baby, ya bro. The youth of this country said you many years brain, and they have used this election to tell the leaders that it is about time. Start seeing the youth as people, partners in development. Do things that makes the lives. I'm for Pejumaye. Obi Pejumaye. Also, always play about it.
All right, we live in here.
How?
We live in here.
What does it do?
Yeah.
Say create. The bottom line is the BK can Sebeye Juma yi among say Ghanaians are becoming more discerning now.
Yeah.
And Kabasi, can you see say voter region? Voter region.
Yeah.
To one line, sir. Where we still have that pocket, no. We haven't gotten where we want to get to.
Okay.
Ashanti region, with all respect, I can say very enlightened population. Because of cosmopolitan, we have different ethnic and different.
It's a very
people,
diverse
background. You can just all be here piloting or Owusu Ashanti region. If NDC can get 7 seats here, and Kabe better pass a Kabon MPP nya ebia 3 seats. Ewo.
That be one every when you train.
No. For
the mind of the voter.
No. That is not.
Now he's not going Ashanti region. He's saying
that is not.
Sebia komunya sabino ha. It should also say be in the voter region. They will be.
When you have a message that sways people. Voter region, just like Ashanti, some parts of Ashanti region. Voter region is so to say. What important I say? And how about cosmopolitan? No, I different info. It's like that in America. California, New Jersey would definitely vote for Democrats.
What happened to Northern region? That's Northern region.
What
happened to Northern region? Vote in the question. Is it 11-9 or something? Then it's in a hundred a course that way.
That way, like.
All right. Okay. We live in here.
The attitude of the voter. 1 minute. The attitude of the voter. I know you're different, but there are places. The numbers. The Ashanti region, for instance, look at Greater Accra. And you're more cosmopolitan. May I still acknowledge that people will vote because this is our party.
Yeah.
Even in America, New Jersey will vote for Democrats.
So, but beyond that,
what I say, Texas will go Republican. But Jamaicans say the people who decide, they are the people that you target with messages. The only reason why Ashanti region will be battlegrounds because they realize that now Ashanti region is cosmopolitan. I am for crew. What I say, people are discerning. Of course, you have a certain group of people who vote based on the fact that they are aware to people. What I say, but there is a group of people coming up. The young people, now they don't vote because they vote because I look at my pocket and my living conditions. Bets now being business. Then bets no now non-verbal cues no people pick them up.
Yeah.
Only make us a own kind, but your wife and what can say what I say. Lazy. It's in almost sorry much bet. And the can radio so much baby reported you much now. What's the point I say?
All right.
When you lose touch with the base,
we live in here.
This what happens.
You say you like football.
Yes.
And your team is Manchester United.
Yeah, I just
you stay.
I some kit where be like you see the BKB air cannon and they say we had trend now. Sabia ye belong ye generation di kwechire omo a omo buy before ye na die you can find a few entrenched positions because you will to fear. Make fear in quotes. I'm talking about you free fear. No. But me awo musesia. Any most of the generation omudi menimno. Sankrofono omo share enema no mo de ato aba de BKB air can no because we share 96 92 yeah bano rolling say started any Kufo bano they were concentrating on rural areas say do things that will touch the rural areas because I want to vote in one a bedroom 2012 urban you who say population agwa di urban areas so political parties strategizing towards wooing urban votes. See, already urban. See, most of the urban dwellers, young people, they are becoming more fluid in terms of decision making. For say school, and yes, school nama obi entwa bama MPP ana NDCO. Obi awako school, generation no urban. A free 92. Watwama the same party ABC or a professor Kwabena the same party ABC there. Boys no mabano or more relative less education. Or to make two different party at every based on boys I become more fluid because they don't have such entrenched religious and ethnic positions. Until they all can say political parties going forward they should re-strategize.
Of course. Now better messages. Better messages.
It's okay.
Messages that resonate.
Why are we even focusing on the defeat on the MPP instead of we focusing on the victory of the NDC?
Of course.
And look at the vision of the NDC and how they can better our lives moving forward.
Discussion about about we know, but Adeba Kwame say NDC very good and some message been on the bar last one it really got into people.
Which one?
Okay, say Obima Oscar GD in back scanning and Ghana Ujidi anako 20 ano and I'm passing by just can deep and now unse President Menyabi Yamos and Yomo Maya former President elect President Mahama.
It's not wrong for you to say President Mahama.
President Mahama. President Mahama says first come former president, but President Mahama currently the president. Says on the elect but president. Name messages are oye enough osan kai asante man joba oye. Ono ojinyo medusu tum. Also sometimes in communication adeba kwa eboa no. So ojinyo mebi tuma obi accuse for bibi. Na ojitum. Ojitum ansa no waka bibi at edia jonakoma eya na etaye adwuma. Oh, come with the make what you say. I should be a complaint. I know you na unya jitum say ampa. The old canon. Me jitum ma ye. But they say me ba say ni. And only the essence of Sadena free SHS. Unto me say President Mahama ba obetwam, President Mahama ba obetwam. And now President Mahama try very well, and I think that message went down very well with people. Said that thing has come to stay. Free SHS is about to stay. Now, rainy biaka about the count, and the taxes also be tremendous. I think they did a very good job. And on the grounds, Kwame Sunday in Kaba, I'm a community as Kwani more only baby. You should have seen the way people were jubilating. It means that they also touch base with the people, and the numbers they had over 30%, right? 33 or something percent. Oh, Ashanti region.
No, 32.
32. That's always the target has always been 30. And the way Juma Mbeye no ha. That I need Lantenum with the free Ashanti region moving around places going to Bebia ordinarily can't expect some campaign or sometimes sports, drinking sports. And it's they wanted to touch base with the people. And I feel so much any message and the talk Ghana for Asuma, I'm a Ghana for than mandate. When it's over you say and a politician we say and we say oh your bank and remember me normal broken heart. Say you normal broken heart choose to go back so I say it that's what that's the decision Ghanaians have taken. But the the speech on mine. Any yamo Dr. Bawumia Sobaso say onya the figures now as no listen. Adeno. Anyi to my friend concede. Now man for agitated ka say isi nyambe kasa na nyina. But no osa President Mahama Kasim bi say President Nanado afre no. Or see they had a very fruitful conversation. Or they say omunti transition team no quantum so that they can start work tomorrow. And that's a very big plus for our democracy. Nah. Ninsam okay na me de me de pa say or say Ghana for 2 million media show monsa ne Ghana for gidi omanya wo mu no so mu di Ghana for hwam a sa kwan no de 2 million show monsa no sa kwan na no mbeji
now okay You too for a catcher another.
Or catch and say, I'm for the community bread.
And a tour.
And a tour banama buy. Now, what no one any only saw community bread about 20 and Nancy. A community bread among for the Ato. What will be the Balapi to one or did the ball in the water? As an auto. Or the two say no did you matter. I could be got on your Sakra. See, politicians. So that is how it is. But the good thing is that a win for our democracy. The only bad thing is some looting in this animal. We have gone past those things. Now the NDC are in power, and the entire what GDA say. Also, President Mahama because he's been there before.
Okay.
He knows the mistakes he made. Ministers you are entrusted or the GDA show sama omudini ramo. Who's a otchere baby are mistaken it's wow some baby no. Afi anamobo ha untu sabe ni baby affairs no mutonyo mchrawo oh president almost filu pa almost say no uti abeti mienu and that is why I think that this his term should be a very good one for Ghana for now. He's our president. Whether I voted for him or I didn't vote for him, he's our president. Me, I've always maintained that thing that you not trust our stage where we choose someone. What I say? They say president no, so open he's our president. Now my strong say, the MMA come there. Many Ashanti region because Ashanti region say quite baby I done a construction site. Quite baby I foot no money foot and Samatan so nebe. It's a quite machine every soon President ba on from Mustafa machine go so. I just say Donina Queen. Donina Otra Piedua. Donina Queen, almost have a machine in basis so. Only machine besi you. Oh my yes ya pie do nyanka ho
okay
omunye de ne man e kwa hodo na say tasoma so ya so makodu baabi yes so tasoma kire ya omunye gata so pega machines no ko the baby the machine o pega ko bia president he say he's a president for all, not just the regions that voted for him, also a president for everyone. Emesre the people on the ground nkofo no omudi nachi omunye betia nyoma bia ma amanfo boasenfu. Sometimes you are president's name. But if you team the marshal some say ya buy na aba. Oh yes sir, obitin just oh sir. Aba na aba on. Afenyo Markins. Sunny Dendem of blessed memory. And I'm going in the park. Na me bogala ho. Na boy last day no say men's kebi. Te bogala ni don koi. Now I try 3 days on TV kind of Afenyo Anche no say no. It's also mean that I said now you do good. Do the things you think about the greater population of Ghana. Say Ghana, then the Ghana for one tomo. Then remember 24-hour economy. How can you to be assumed? People want to see how it is rolling out. Exactly. And also be idea come up DH3. And Yamidia and Yamidia. It is say oh they now pay. Ghana be now party power. Which one do you want? So sitting there and now pese be ya. Let's just say and you Ghana ye now pay.
Yeah.
And your party be now to my duty and now pay. When it happens like that, then you don't have the nation at heart. It's immediate. So be to say you president. You choose mentality. You watching the very best. Empire cry. You want mentality. So you know no any na memu ntom na business nkoso. Na man for botos camera mu botom. No. Na man we dey no bia okay a. Obi nko obi krono kra no so. But any brand concern nyina atutwa. It's a nuni ade ehia.
All right. 9 shirts.
Let's just say, and you get a year now pay. Yeah. And your party be now to my duty and now pay. When it happens like that, then you don't have the nation at heart. It's immediate. So be to say you president. You choose mentality. You watching the very best. Empire cry. You want mentality. So you know any na memu ntom na business nkoso. Na man for botos camera mu botom. No. Na man we dey no bia okay a. Obi nko obi krono kra no so. But any brand concern nyina atutwa. It's a nuni ade ehia.
All right. 9 shirts.
You're waiting for winning a reporter Abeto Yepuno so Mikau says so we now subscribe to channel area Bomodia say over subscribe say had latest and hot news and Aremeyaw bro. I feel we are now like video and give us a thumbs up now share my offer so now when you be here now who and somewhere so Ghana memoir. Also bet me otchere wadwen afaye some way nyina ho comment box ni mu mobati minkabio in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.